Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 2017 Vauxhall Zafira Touring Elite, alloy wheels, remote central lock-in, electric windows, electric mirrors, rear parking sensors, privacy glass, front parking sensors as well. One owner with full service history. It has heated leather seats, side airbags, a pocket here, locking wheel nut key there, very important, you have that. Panoramic roof. Isofix rear seat as well. Power outlet at the bottom there. There's a little pocket here to store stuff. These seats will independently move backwards and forwards. Quickly show you these. These seats will fold down if you don't want them. So obviously you can have independent, so you can have 6 seats, one folded down, 7 seats, whatever configuration you want really. Very practical car. Zafira turbo. These seats will fold down. Pull this and you can fold these seats down. These will both fold down. In here you have your luggage compartment cover, which goes in here and across to here. So that's your luggage cover. And so these seats will fold down. Leather seats in the rear as well. This row will fold down as well, if you wish. Four electric windows. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. Electronic lumbar support. Leather seats obviously in the front as well. Automatic lights here, auto lights. You can shut the blind if you wish. This is quite a neat feature. You can push this down, bring this back to give you a much bigger windscreen. Really nice extra that is. Handbrake, gear lever, nice pocket here to store stuff, and you've got this pocket here that pulls down with a USB and power outlet there. Quite handy to use. So you can move this backwards and forwards, open this up to allow you a pocket there, move this forward if you wish. Another little pocket here you can use. Storage here. This here will go back to reveal this pocket here. And shut that. So lots of different options really. Traction control, parking sensors, handbrake. That's automatic. It has cruise control, speed limiter. The vehicle's done 43,365 miles. Lock, unlock, you've got your stereo obviously here. Heated seats, air conditioning, it's climate control actually as well, not just air conditioning, it's climate control. On here your on start SOS button and that sort of stuff. Here, wipers here, mirrors, electronically adjustable mirrors. You can basically project your phone, so you can use your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on your phone, audio, gallery, phone, OnStar. You can change the menu here. This button here changes that menu. You can change different. You can change these menus up here to what you want, really. Different, you know, different settings. Shows the seat belts, what seat belts are. So if you know if someone hasn't got a seat belt on, that's what these are for, basically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call.